You do not always need a $200 security deposit to rebuild bad credit. Some unsecured cards are designed specifically for low credit scores, and that removes the biggest barrier for a lot of people. By the end of this, you'll know 7 cards people look at in 2026 when they need credit but don't have cash for a deposit. First, the Capital One Platinum Card. This is one of the most common starting points for bad credit. There's no security deposit, and it focuses on basic credit building. No rewards, but it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Second, the Mission Lane Visa Card. This one is built for people rebuilding. Approval decisions are often quick, and some users can pre-qualify without affecting their score. That matters because it reduces wasted hard inquiries. Third, the Credit One Bank Platinum Card. This card is easier to qualify for than many mainstream cards, and some versions offer cash back. The trade-off is fees can vary, so always read the terms before applying. Now here's where you need to compare carefully. Fourth, the Pedal One Visa Card. This one can look beyond traditional credit scores and may consider banking history. That makes it useful if your score is weak, but your income is steady. Fifth, the Indigo MasterCard. This is another option aimed at poor credit. The approval process is simple, and it's often considered by people who get declined elsewhere. Again, watch for possible annual fees. Sixth, the Milestone MasterCard. Similar setup here. Easier approval, no deposit required, and basic reporting to credit bureaus. It's not flashy, but it serves the purpose. Seventh, the Surge MasterCard. This is often used by people with damaged credit who need an unsecured line fast. It can help rebuild, but like Milestone and Indigo, terms matter more than the card name. Here's the important part. No deposit does not always mean low cost. Some unsecured cards for bad credit charge annual fees, monthly fees, or high APRs. If you carry a balance, that gets expensive fast. The best way to use any of these is simple. Keep your balance under 10% of your limit, pay on time every month, and don't apply for 3 cards at once. Quick recap. Capital One and Mission Lane are usually cleaner starting points. Pedal can help if your banking history is stronger than your credit history. The others are fallback options. Your next step is to check for pre-qualification first before submitting a full application. If this saved you from picking the wrong card, like the video, and subscribe for more practical credit tips.